The RockJam 61 Key Keyboard Kit offers a traditional piano experience with its full-sized keys, all within a compact and portable design. Featuring an intuitive LCD display, this keyboard provides access to a variety of rhythms, tones, and teaching functions, making it perfect for learners of all levels. The keyboard's record and playback capabilities allow users to explore their creativity and improve their musical skills. Included in the kit are a sturdy stand and adjustable stool, ensuring comfort and stability for musicians during long practice sessions. The padded, foldable seat and headphones support convenient storage and private practice, making it ideal for both young learners and adults. With additional features like keynote stickers and lessons from Simply Piano, this kit is a comprehensive solution for aspiring musicians.